I think it's on. Oh, it is on. Oh, hello. I'm back. This is my true background, my home. Just a simple gal making this channel. I think it's on. Oh, it is on. Oh, hello. I'm back. Okay. That was awkward. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mum. My channel is about those who are introverted and looking for a community. And also, if you're a single mom, just like me, or a single parent, and your kids have grown and they moved away, go to college, got married, and so forth. But now, you're an empty nester. So I really don't have a title for my channel yet. It's still brand new to me. This whole idea, concept, is still brand new. Today I'm not wearing any makeup. My apologies. I figured here's the thing. I didn't want to compete with AI. With today's technology, AI is just out there all over. Everything is so generic, so beautiful. Everyone is so, their hair is trimmed, their makeup is all perfect to a T. What I want to give our viewers, you, something that is real. So more like you're talking to a real human being, not just an AI type of person. I'm gonna let you know this channel is gonna have a lot of flaws. It's gonna have a lot of lags. It's just how some of us humans talk. I'm not a professional speaker. I do know that for sure. I'm just a simple person. And I wanted to show you that I guess it's okay to be authentic, to show this side of not having AI embedded or integrated, or where you can make 1 million copies or make 100 or scale out really quickly. But thank you for clicking on my channel today. I would like to talk about some of the things, especially about friends during your adult life. Making friends when you were a child was a lot easier. I think it was because not that many people minded, and there weren't any rules around or put in place. And as an adult, I feel like you're being judged a little bit more than so. I would say, as I'm recording this, I'm coloring at the same time or working on an activity. I think it kind of helps me calm down a little bit, especially talking to, or knowing that I'm being recorded. These pens are not sharpened. I gotta go find a sharpener. I'll be right back.